Okay, my last one unexpectedly stopped after question 1, so we'll start with 2 now on this one. 2 is pretty easy. It says f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, so what is f of 5? In other words, they're just asking you to plug in 5 for the x right here. And do 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17, and then you have your answer. The next one you have on your review is 2C. What is h of 6? In other words, just plug in 6 for the x. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 4 is 14. Question 3 is giving you a mapping diagram, and they're asking you to tell if this mapping diagram represents a function. This one does not. That is false because one of the inputs has more than just one output. 5 has outputs of 1 and 3, so that's a false. 3B, this one is true because each input has only one output. And what do you have next? Question 4. And of course, my phone is ringing. That's great. I don't know how to stop it either. Hello? I was making a screencast for explaining their review. Okay, sorry about that. Question 4B. Where am I here? Oh, I skipped 4A. True or false, this is a function. Yes, this is true because I already said that. I'm so sorry. No, I don't think I did. Each input only has one output. Okay, question 4A. True or false, this is what is the range of the function? I don't think I have that on this side. You all don't have that one. Let me get to one you have. 4B, what is the range of the function? Remember, the range is just asking you for the y values, which is going to be on the right side of a mapping diagram. So that's why the answer is -3, 0, 4, 6. Notice in the answers, they are in order from least to greatest. They're not in the same order they're in the mapping diagram. Okay. 4C, what is the range of the function? Everything on the right side, all of the y values. Okay, 5A. This is asking you, table shows the number of weeks of vacation employees receive each year based on the number of years they have been employed. What does 15 V of 15 equals 5 mean in terms of the problem? This means a worker with 15 years of service gets 5 weeks of vacation per year. There's my timer. So I'm going to have to stop soon. Remember what's inside is your x. So you're looking over here. X is on the left, y is on the right, independent variables on the left, dependent variables on the right. For 15 years of service, they get 5 weeks of vacation. That's what this means. If the input is 15, the output is 5. Okay. 5B. Table shows the number of stars awarded in an online math game based on the number of points earned. What does S of 200 equals 3 mean in terms of the problem? So again, what's on the inside of the parentheses here is your X. So we're looking at 200 right here and 3. So 200 points earned means 3 stars are awarded. A player who earns 200 points is awarded 3 stars. Okay, and I will end it there because my 5 minutes is probably about up. Okay, I have 45 seconds left, so I think I can go over question 6. Does this table represent a function, y or y not? So we look at the x values, and the 2 is paired with, the 2 has more than one output. It's paired with a 1 and a 4. So that's why this is not 1, because one x value corresponds to 2 different y values. I have 17 seconds. Does this represent a function or not? Yes, it does, because every x value corresponds with exactly one y value. And then we'll pick up with question 7.